Welcome to Exam Sales Comprehensive Guide to the Cisco Designing Cisco Data Center Infrastructure exam. In this video, we'll break down the exam syllabus and explore the key domains and topics you'll need to master to succeed. The Cisco Designing Cisco Data Center Infrastructure exam is divided into 5 domains, each with a unique set of topics and weightage. The data center network design domain accounts for 22% of the exam and focuses on architectural design of high-availability Layer 2/3 infrastructure and ACI fabric solutions. Data center compute design also accounts for 22% and focuses on design of unified computing systems, fabric connectivity, and hyperconverged infrastructure. The data center storage network design domain accounts for 20% and focuses on storage protocol architecture, SAN fabric design, and MDS-based connectivity solutions. The data center automation design domain accounts for 18% and focuses on integration of orchestration tools, API programmability, and cloud management solutions. Finally, the data center management and operations design domain accounts for 18% and focuses on design of management frameworks, infrastructure monitoring, and security controls. Let's dive deeper into the data center network design domain. This domain is all about designing high-availability Layer 2/3 infrastructure and ACI fabric solutions. You'll learn how to design Layer 2 and Layer 3 topologies in the data center, including virtual port channels and best practices for design. You'll also learn how to design Cisco fabric path environments and control planes, as well as data center interconnect using OTV and VPLS. Additionally, you'll study spanning tree protocol optimizations for data centers and design first-hop redundancy protocols for gateway resilience. Finally, you'll learn how to design high-availability features, including in-service software upgrades. Within the data center network design domain, you'll also learn about overlay networks and Cisco ACI design. This includes designing VXLAN-based network overlays and BGP EVPN control planes, as well as Cisco application-centric infrastructure leaf-spine fabrics. You'll learn how to design ACI logical constructs, including tenants, VRFs, and bridge domains, as well as endpoint groups and contract-based communication. Additionally, you'll study how to design ACI multi-pod and multi-site architectural connectivity and external Layer 2 and Layer 3 connections in ACI. Moving on to the data center compute design domain, you'll learn how to design unified computing systems, fabric connectivity, and hyperconverged infrastructure. This includes designing Cisco UCS B-Series and C-Series hardware integration, as well as fabric interconnect NIO module connectivity. You'll learn how to design UCS service profiles, templates, and cloning strategies, as well as resource pools for identifiers and virtual interface card adapter policies. Additionally, you'll study how to design high-availability features, including cluster links and hardware redundancy, and integrate UCS Manager with multi-tenancy policies. Within the data center compute design domain, you'll also learn about hyperconverged and multi-domain compute. This includes designing Cisco HyperFlex nodes and networking requirements, as well as scalability, replication, and data distribution. You'll learn how to design compute virtualization integration with VMware and Microsoft Hyper-V, as well as UCS Central for multi-domain management and global profiles. Additionally, you'll study how to design compute resource distribution and load balancing strategies. The data center storage network design domain focuses on storage protocol architecture, SAN fabric design, and MDS-based connectivity solutions. You'll learn how to design fiber channel and ISCSI storage protocols, as well as fiber channel over Ethernet and multi-hop FCOA. You'll also learn how to design SAN topologies, including edge core edge and collapsed core, as well as storage virtualization and VSAN allocation. Additionally, you'll study zoning strategies, including enhanced zoning and smart zoning, and evaluate storage performance requirements and buffer-to-buffer credits. The data center automation design domain is all about integrating orchestration tools, API programmability, and cloud management solutions. You'll learn how to design Cisco UCS Director orchestration workflows and catalogs, as well as Cisco Prime Service Catalog integration for self-service. You'll also learn how to design API-based automation using REST, XML, and JSON, as well as Python scripting for NXOS and UCS automation. Additionally, You'll study how to design Cisco Cloud Center for multi-cloud application lifecycle management and evaluate automation tools for configuration consistency and deployment.